Hey there, welcome to Common Time Yoga. Today we're going to do a quick warm-up, physical warm-up that is perfect for pre-lesson. This is also perfect just before a practice session or anything where you're going to be dedicating your mind to focus and your voice to singing. So I'm not even going to use a mat today. We're just going to be standing up, doing some poses. So I will meet you wherever you are. All right, so we're going to start standing and we're going to stay standing the whole time to keep our energy nice and up. Go ahead and check in with your foot position. See what's going on there. We want feet to be parallel with one another, and you can choose to have toes together or like feet right next to each other, or feet hip width distance apart. So when I say that, of course I mean at the joint, so straight down the middle of the hips, not the outside. So take your pick of whatever one you would like, and we're going to start by inhaling the arms up overhead. So inhale, sweeping the arms up, and exhale, bringing them back down. Awesome, let's do that 2 more times. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Now we're going to do a twist, so we're going to inhale up, and exhale, twist to the right, let your arms come down to shoulder height. You can gaze over the right fingertips, look back over the left, and inhale up, and exhale, rotating to the left this time. Alternating the gaze between the fingertips. Inhale back to center, 1 more time each side. Exhale right. Making sure to keep the shoulders nice and relaxed. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Excellent. Exhale, arms down by the sides. Take a deep breath. Sigh it out again. Get a little bit of vocal movement in there. We're going to do some side stretching. So inhale, arms up overhead again. And grab the left wrist with the right hand. And exhale over to the right side. Inhale up to center. And exhale over to the right again. Inhale up, switch sides, exhaling to the left, grabbing the right wrist. Inhale up. And exhale to the left again. Inhale up, and this time we are going to take the hands, interlace the fingers, and place them right behind the head. Draw the shoulder blades together in the back, gaze up slightly, opening the chest, almost feeling like you're pulling your elbows toward one another back there. Let a nice arch come into the back. And exhale, chin to chest, bring the elbows together in front. While you're looking down here, check in with your foot position. Notice if it has changed any. And inhale. We'll take that back bend 1 more time. So shoulder blades together, elbows pulling toward each other, chest out. And exhale, chin to chest, elbows together. Inhale, back to center. Awesome. So now we're going to bring a little bit of awareness into the low body now that we've woken up our arms and our shoulders and upper back and all that. So let's take a wide stance. Pretty wide, like 3 feet if you can. And turn the right foot to where the toes are pointing out. And the left foot so that the toes come in just slightly, like 45 degrees. And from here, we're going to come into Warrior Two. So our hips are going to stay facing more or less out in front of us. And we're going to inhale, bending the right knee and lifting the arms up to shoulder height. Now while we're here, let's check in and make sure that the knee is in line with the ankle. Nice and good. Shoulders are relaxed. Take a peek back at that back arm to see if you're all in line. And exhale out. Inhale back into it. And we'll hold here for just a little bit, just to get some feelings going. So, two things you can try here. You can imagine that you are pulling the ground together between your 2 feet. That might be safest here without a mat. Alternatively, you can push away. Feel like you're pushing away from the ground as though you're going to straighten the leg, but don't. So really engaging the muscles, checking with the pelvis that it is not tilted forward or tucked too dramatically, just nice and neutral. And exhale, come out of the pose. You can bring hands to hips. We're going to switch the feet. So right foot comes in at a 45-degree angle. Left foot points out. And same thing on this side. So let's set up the hips first, facing out in general. And the pelvis is in a neutral position. Inhale, bend the left knee. Shoulders relaxed. Joints stacked over here on the bent knee for safety. And the knee is not passing beyond the ankle. That puts a little bit of stress on the knee. It can come just above it, or it can be back behind it. And exhale out. Inhale in again, and we'll hold here. Now you can look back at the right arm to see if it's in line, or you can look through the eyes in the back of your head, which is sort of a fun trick of proprioception. Just see what you can sense back there. Again, tuning into that motion of pulling the feet together, pulling the ground toward itself, or pressing away from the ground as though you're coming to stand. Shoulders nice and relaxed. And inhale, coming out of the pose. Hands to hips again. We're going to do just one more pose here. Keep the feet a little wide, but you can walk them in a bit if you'd like. We're going to inhale nice and tall with a neutral spine, and exhale, fold forward. Now from here, just come as much as is comfortable for you. If you want to put hands on shins, hands on thighs, that's totally fine. If you've got your hands on the floor, that is also fine. You can grab the outsides of your feet if you like. What I'd like to try here is clasp the hands behind the back and let them fall overhead. This can be pretty intense on the shoulders, so only go as far as is comfortable for you. But we're going to stay here for 3 breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Last breath. Inhale and exhale. On the next inhale, you're going to release your arms and slowly roll up. We're going to come to a halfway point, hands on thighs. Gaze forward. You can bend your knees, get your bearings after being upside down for a minute. And when you're ready, come back to standing. Bring the feet together. From here, bring hands to heart center. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. And sigh it out. Again, another vocal sigh. Inhale and sigh. One more. Inhale and out. Just allowing those nice, easy vocalizations. You're welcome to continue that as long as you'd like. I hope that you enjoyed this. I had a wonderful time. Go kill it in your lesson or in your practice session. Thanks so much for watching.